Okay.
arrival of the rainy season because along with the rainy season comes one of the most important things for them, which is the planting season. Okay, that is the dragonfly dance or sayaw ng ulo. Kung sino na gusto mag-learn sa kanya, pwede po. May-share po kami bahag dyan. Pero kailangan sa mag-wear tayo ng bahag, ha?
Patay
Okay, that is the dragonfly dance or sayaw ng susubi, the older version of Disney House of Dolls. For their second dance po is the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. Okay, they also believe that the monkeys are excellent hunters in the wild. No other animals inside the forest can match the ability of monkeys in terms of hunting and foraging po. Okay, this dance is usually performed of the younger version po nila. Okay, the second dance po is the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. Okay, ready niyo po yung mga cameras niyo. May highlight po ang ating second dance.
Ayun, ito.
Okay, wala mo masasabi sa taas ba kung ano po pakita natin. Okay, that is the monkey dance or sayaw ng unggoy. Okay, for the final dance po, it's no longer a form of animal dance. Rather, it is a form of war dance. Okay, for their final dance, the Binabayani dance or war dance.
Nakakalat yun.
Okay, whenever the misunderstanding arises in between tribes, they normally send their young men into fighting against other tribes. Okay, they also believe that the best dancer are the best fighters. Okay, yan po ang kanilang bow and arrow po yan. Totoo po yan. So, watch out po yung isa po, aksidente po nilang naririnig. Lalo na po sa mga naka-live colors po. Wow! Ay, maipo sila ngayon kaya wala pong aksidente nangyari.
Okay.
Okay, that is the end of our short but
Pwede pag-iulit?
only by our items.
Pwede isa pa?
Okay, you want to give them anything?